For this example, we want to solve and graph the compound inequality 1 is less than or equal to 2x plus 3, which is itself strictly less than 11. So in this case, we have to be just a little bit more careful of the fact that we have those inequalities on both sides instead of just the one here, where essentially the way we have to treat this is like we've got two going on at the same time. So when we have a thing of this form where we've got our linear term, or really whatever kind of term that we're dealing with, stuck in the middle, if we're going to try and subtract that 3 to clear everything out, we have to subtract it from everything. So we're going to subtract a 3 from there. We get negative 2 is less than or equal to 2x. And then subtracting 3 from there, we get that this whole thing is less than 8. And then it's pretty simple from there. We just divide out the 2, and we get that negative 1 is less than or equal to x, which is itself less than 4. Where if we wanted to write that as a set, well, it's pretty straightforward. We have the set going from negative 1 to 4, including negative 1, excluding 4, or in set builder notation, x such that x is between negative 1 and 4, but not equal to 4, and we can graph it like so as well. Well, the last thing we're going to get from this section before moving on to chapter 2 is a look at how we can handle the situations with absolute value inequalities instead.